Hi, and welcome to this Getsitecontrol tutorial. In this video, we'll talk about skip logic and branching. Skip logic and branching allows you to display relevant content to your respondents based on the options they have selected on the previous pages of the widget. In this video, I'll show you how to create a customer satisfaction survey using skip logic and branching. So let's head over to the dashboard. Here is the first page of my customer satisfaction survey. Now, I want people to see different content and fields depending on which option they select here. So what I'm going to do is create a page for each option and also create a final thank you page. But first, I'm going to rename my options here so that it's easier for me later on to set up my skip logic and branching structure. So I'm going to click on the field, click the settings icon, and select Edit ID. And I'm going to enter my own IDs and click Save. I'm going to repeat the process for all options. Here we are. Now let's go to the Pages section. I'm going to click on Pages, and from here I'm going to start adding pages to my form. This is the default second page. As you can see, it's a thank you page. I'm going to open its setting and enter my own content here. My page is ready. This one is the page my respondents will see if they select excellent. Now I'm going to rename the page. So I'm going to click on the name and rename it. And I'm going to repeat this process for all the other pages that I need to create. Here I have all of my form pages already renamed. This one is the first page that we have already seen. This one is the page people will see if they select excellent. And this is the last page they're going to see in the form. This is the page the respondents will see if they have selected good. This one is the page respondents will see if they have selected needs improvement. And this is the thank you page that respondents will see after providing additional feedback if they have selected good or needs improvement. And now onto our skip logic and branching setup. So we set up skip logic and branching at a button level. So on my first page, the rating page, I'm going to open the button settings, edit the action that I currently have assigned to the button. It's a submit go to page action. It's the action that I need for skip logic and branching. I'm going to select edit. And instead of linear page order, which is the default option, I'm going to select skip logic and branching. Here, I'm going to select my condition. So instead of always, I'll select if feedback, which is my field, is any of excellent, done, then go to page excellent. I'm going to add one more condition. If feedback is any of good, then go to page good, else go to page needs improvement. And I'm going to click OK. Now, for those who have selected good, I'm going to open the button settings again, edit the action, and select skip logic and branching. This time, I'm not going to set up any conditions because I want all respondents to go to the thank you page. And I'm going to do the same for the respondents who have selected needs improvement. Now, as you can see, my skip logic and branching setup is complete. Let me show you what it looks like in action. We are now looking at the demo link of the pop-up that you can find in the Getsitecontrol dashboard. So let's see what happens if I select excellent. I'm going to click send. And I'm going to see this page where I'm asked if I would like to leave a review. If I select sure, I'm going to go to a review page. If I select maybe later, then the pop-up is just going to close. Let's try another one, shall we? I'm going to select good this time and hit send. Then I'm asked what can be improved. I'm going to select product variety, hit send, and I see the thank you page where I can choose to contact support or continue shopping. The continue shopping button can redirect your respondents to the homepage of your website or to a specific section of your store. This is not the only use for skip logic and branching. You can also use skip logic and branching for contact forms, order forms, or for example, pop-up product filters. And that's it. That was all I had to say about skip logic and branching. Now go experiment with it on your forms.